morning step. What's going on? I wake up from a morning and step outside. Say cheese.
Cheese.
I did it again.
Okay.
How?
You pressed it.
Too many times? Let's check the freezer.
Oh, you bring this. Oh. I think walay sulod ang freezer. I mean, ang ref.
Help me open.
You can pull it. Use your strength.
Oh, nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Help!
Sige na, ay, mag-prepare na ta.
Yeah.
Okay. You babat first?
Yep.
Okay.
But I wake up for the morning and take a sleep.
Dili na ka scared sa airplanes?
I thought is this Cebu?
Yeah.
But where's the pool?
Na dito sa Picas window. Sige lang, later we will check it. Sleep sa ka. It's so early pa.
I just want to.
How's your sleep?
But,
This is our...
but I have a one by one dream.